Hi, Mark and Melody in the kitchen again. Mark and Melody in the kitchen again.
Again and again and again.
Today, Melody here, she has got a recipe that will just blow you away, particularly for the holidays.
Yeah.
And
Anytime,
it's
really.
just a cranberry.
It is.
Cranberry what? Cranberry sauce.
A cranberry type of, it is a cranberry
But you took it to a whole new level.
Yes. I love raspberries and I love cranberries. And whenever I changed my diet, Mark, and I eliminated sugar out of my diet, or mostly processed foods, I love cranberry sauce. So what I did is I buy the 100% white grape normally. I like the white grape because of the color. But honestly, I couldn't find any. I think maybe I've given this recipe out maybe one too many times. So.
I'm telling you, I hear more people complimenting. They're like, is Melody going to make that? Is it raspberry cranberry?
Raspberry cranberry sauce.
Yeah, and they ask for it all the time, everywhere I go.
I know, and it's so popular.
Yeah.
And I just take a can of the fruit juice, preferably white grape. I like the white cranberry
Yeah, you've got
grape.
quite the legacy with this one.
I know, I do. And then Mark, if you want to pour some of those raspberries in here.
Okay.
I want the raspberries. You don't have to do all of them, just give me a shot of them. And the reason why I'm adding the raspberries here is because I could not find the white raspberry. So we can't call it
raspberry
raspberry.
flavor.
Yeah, I do. I love the raspberry flavor. And there's a few leaves. They wouldn't hurt us. But I'm going to take those out.
Well, I like these because you can just rinse them right through the packet.
Yes, that's what I love about them too.
And then you're putting these in there?
Yes, that's
These pretty good?
Yeah, you taste cranberries, Mark. Have you never had?
Oh, that's horrible.
I know. Cranberries are bitter, bitter.
Man.
They're great for the urinary tract. I was gonna ask him, but he went right into it, and I didn't have to.
Okay.
That'll perk you up. Well,
Yeah. It definitely needs a little bit of sweetener.
It does.
In there we go?
Yeah, pour them right in here.
All of them?
Pour them in there. That is 1 pound, 1 packet.
One packet like that? Okay.
Now, I advise you, especially Mark, during the holiday, please buy extra. Buy extra, throw them in the freezer. There are so many things you can use cranberries with throughout the year, and they're hard to find. And when you do find them frozen, they could be upwards to $6, $7 at least. We've seen them that way, haven't they, Mark?
Well, the funny part about it was, we went to go do this segment back in, what was it?
August. Wasn't it?
And you could not find cranberries anywhere. No
Nowhere.
frozen cranberries, no nothing anywhere. So we could not do our holiday cranberry program
We couldn't.
in August like we normally would.
We
had to
wait.
wait until November.
Yeah, we had to wait. We were going to put it out there so you'd have it way before the holidays, and we couldn't find the cranberries, to be honest with you.
Now, there's a couple grocery stores that actually have them in a plastic bag that look like they'd be really good for freezing.
They are great. And let me, a secret, and I'm going to tell you this, and then when I go to look for them again, guess what's going to happen, Mark? I'm not going to find them. I'm not going to find them. But I'll go buy the packages that you find in the plastic, and I'll buy like 10 of them for anywhere from a dime to a quarter a package.
Right.
After Thanksgiving. They don't have them around for
right after
for
Christmas.
That very few stores will even have them during the Christmas time, I have found.
They're
So,
freezing them.
Yes, I take them and I put them in the freezer and I keep them there, and all year long, if I need something with cranberries, I just pull them out and thaw them.
Because I want them year round. So we'll probably get about 20 bags.
Oh, yes.
And throw them in the freezer, and that way we'll have them once a month for, because they're so good for you. That's the other big thing.
They are good for you. And,
Cool.
and I like them this way. Now, this is going to be a little tart. The white grape juice, to me, is the best. And I think it's a little bit sweeter. You can add a little bit of sugar to it if you'd like to. I do put just a little bit of lemon juice
Or
in
honey,
mine.
or
A little bit of honey, an organic sugar works great.
but
Stevia.
this is really a fundamental lesson that everybody should know in the kitchen. I mean,
Yes.
anybody could do this at any given time, and it's done. It's ready.
You know, I do this with my blueberries. I do this with my apples. I do it with strawberries and make a fresh strawberry pie. But I do my juices instead of sugar. And then if you need it thickened, that you will also just take some cornstarch or arrowroot powder and use that in there for thickening. But surprisingly, Mark, this thickens all on its own. It's very gelatinous. It kind of has that
Pectin. It's got pectin in it.
It's got the
so,
pectin
yeah.
in it. I was hoping it'd get hot enough. I wanted you to hear the music.
Have you seen out there all the things that are saying pectin free, pectin free?
What's that for? Oh, listen. Do you hear it? I can hear it. Hopefully,
We'll see if we can
hear it
get
pop.
some of those. But all over the kids, it starts out with the kids' cereals. It says pectin free, pectin free. So everybody's like, ooh, I better stay away from pectin.
What? Why is pectin bad?
Because it's in fruit. And Satan doesn't want you eating healthy. He wants you not to eat fruit. You know, so I don't know. This is the only thing I can figure.
I'm just
mean,
thinking, what pectin is a natural sweetener.
Oh, it's just ridiculous what's going on out there.
It is. It just seems like every day it gets even worse. And I heard something just recently. You know, the World Health Organization announced about processed meats and what the meats are doing to our body. And then I seen almost a retraction about how, well, if you don't eat too much of it, and I'm thinking, yeah, they must have gotten in trouble from somebody.
Yeah.
Maybe the Meat Association.
Yeah, that's the way it goes. So
it's starting to get nice and warm here, Mark, and my raspberries are starting to crumble a little bit, but I just really wanted to hear pop. I was telling Mark about it. I said, wait till you hear this, and it just starts pop, pop, pop. pop.
Yeah.
I love it. But
so you got one that's already done.
I do have one that we did, and we let set for just a few minutes. And look at that, Mark. Look how it's gelled.
I take it you want this in here.
I do want that in there.
Okay.
Look at that. Look how beautiful to serve that.
Mm-hmm.
With the stuffing program we did. Can you just imagine this with stuffing? Now, does that taste a little better than the cranberry?
Yes, and the sweetness right from that concentrated juice.
And the longer it sits, the more sweetness it's going to have.
Find those concentrated juices that do not have the sugar added.
Yes, 100%.
Because it's made from concentrate, so there's plenty of natural sugar in it.
Yes, you don't actually have to add sugar, but if you did, maybe a little stevia.
Now this is one that you had chilled for a little bit. It's even still warm, but you can see how thick it is getting. Look at that.
Isn't that beautiful?
Doesn't that look like a regular cranberry that you get out of a can?
Oh, do you hear a
Except
pop?
10 times better.
I'm starting to hear a pop. It's almost like canning. Oh, there went another one.
But it's beautiful. Just gorgeous.
It is, and it tastes so good, and you don't have to worry about just having a little teaspoon of it because it doesn't have all the sugar in it. So.
And would you, you can't imagine something like this without thickening agents.
No,
And there's no thickening agents
absolutely
in it all. You
none.
want to try it? It's really good.
Yeah.
Money back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, bring this recipe back for a full refund.
Yeah.
And we will have the exact recipes for this one too, but you don't need one. I mean, it's that easy. You just, put your can of juice. Put your can of juice in there. Hit it with some raspberries. Hit it with some cranberries. Let it go, and you're done.
Little lemon.
If you want, and
if it's a little too tart, see, I don't like my cranberry sauce real sickening sweet. I like the bitterness.
right, it should have some tartness to it.
It should have some tartness to it. And the next time, if you have the urge to try a fresh cranberry to see how sweet it is, maybe you'll remember this program of when Mark tried that.
Yeah.
Hear it? Oh, there they go.
I hope they picked that up on the sound. But you can hear it pop, pop.
I know. I love it. I actually love to cook the cranberry sauce. It's awesome. So hopefully you'll enjoy this recipe.
There you go.
It's been a favorite in my house. This is the only cranberry recipe we've used in probably 5 years now.
Well, thank you, and thank you for tuning in because, and definitely share these recipes with your friends and family. Show them how easy it can be to cook healthier at home, and we'll see you next time in the kitchen.